Hello, students. Welcome to our current affairs class. In this class, we will discuss some important current affairs. So, आज की क्लास में हम 10 अगस्त के important current affairs को डिस्कस करेंगे. So, let's start our class. In this class, we will discuss some important national news. We will also discuss some important international news. Then, after this, we will discuss some state news, some banking news, some scheme and committees, some sports news, some important day, and some obituaries news. Clear? The image used in our side deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property right of the original creator and honor of these images. If you are the owner of any of the image used in this deck and you have any concern or issue, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. हमारे साइट डेक में इस्तेमाल की गई छवियां केवल शैक्षणिक उद्देश्य के लिए हैं। हम इन छवियों के मूल रचनाकारों और मालिकों के बौद्धिक संपदा अधिकारों का सम्मान करते हैं। यदि आप इस डेक में इस्तेमाल की गई किसी भी छवि के मालिक हैं और आपको कोई चिंता या समस्या है तो कृपया हमसे sathi@iitk.ac.in पर संपर्क करें। हम छवियों को हटा देंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट न्यूज। आज 10 अगस्त 2024 की फर्स्ट न्यूज के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं, विच इज नेशनल न्यूज। इंडियन कोस्ट अकाउंट सर्विसेज विच इज नोन एज ICOAS फाउंडेशन डे सेलिब्रेशन। तो रिसेंटली द इंडियन कोस्ट अकाउंट सर्विस सेलिब्रेटेड फाउंडेशन डे इन न्यू दिल्ली and the theme of this foundation day is ICOAS@Viksit Bharat. एज वी ऑल नो, जो मोदी गवर्नमेंट है और जो एनडीए गवर्नमेंट ने उसने टारगेट लिया है कि 2047 तक 2047 तक हमने अमृतकाल डिक्लेयर किया है और हमें भारत को कैसा बनाना है, एक डेवलप कंट्री बनाना है, विकसित भारत। सो सेम थीम इंडियन कोस्टल अकाउंट सर्विसेज ने अपने फाउंडेशन डे पे रखी है, विच इज @विकसित भारत. The event highlighted the crucial role of ICOAS officers in shaping Indian economy future by 2047. तो इस इवेंट के थ्रू बेसिकली जो ICOAS है उसकी क्रूशियल रोल का पता चलेगा, वो हाईलाइट होगा कि कैसे वो इंडिया को शेप करने के लिए, इंडियन इकोनॉमी को शेप करने के लिए 2047 तक वर्क कर रहा है. Dr. T.V. Somanathan, who is Finance Secretary and Secretary in Expenditure, was the chief guest of this event, and he emphasized the importance of ICOAS officers in realizing the vision of a developed India. Clear? So news is ICOAS celebrate its Foundation Day. Where ICOAS celebrated Foundation Day? This day is celebrated in New Delhi. What is the theme of ICOAS Foundation Day? The theme is ICOAS@Viksit Bharat. And who was the chief guest of this event? T.V. Somanathan, who is Finance Secretary, is the chief guest of this event. Next is, recently central government of India approved 8 new railway line project. वी ऑल नो, हम सबको पता है जब हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर शेड्यूल पढ़ते हैं तो रेलवे को शेड्यूल 8 की यूनियन लिस्ट के अंदर रखा गया है। मीन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के पास पावर है टू ऑपरेट द रेलवे सिस्टम इन इंडिया. सो ऑन August 9 द यूनियन कैबिनेट अप्रूव्ड 8th न्यू रेलवे प्रोजेक्ट कॉस्टिंग एन एस्टिमेट अराउंड 24,657 करोड़. मीन्स 24,657 करोड़ की लागत से रेलवे ने 8 न्यू प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किए. What is the major purpose of these 8 new projects? These projects aim to improve connectivity, make traveler easier, reduce logistic cost, cut down on oil imports and lower carbon dioxide emission. तो इस परियोजना का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कनेक्टिविटी में सुधार लाना, यात्रा को आसान बनाना, लॉजिस्टिक्स लागत को कम करना और तेल आयातों में कटौती करना और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड उत्सर्जन को कम करना. Next is international news. Recently, Bill Gates Foundation has set up FSTP at Sarovaram. So in Kozhikode in Kerala, India will soon see an upgrade in its waste management system. The Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, along with the Habitat Charitable Trust, plan to build a modern facial sludge treatment plant at Sarovaram. And this project is a significant step towards better sanitation and water hygiene in the area. तो रिसेंटली केरला ने और बिल गेट फाउंडेशन ने मिलके एफएसटीपी सिस्टम लागू करने का और सेट करने का प्लान किया है, जिसके थ्रू पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे सैनिटेशन और वाटर हाइजीन में हेल्प होगी या सैनिटेशन बेटर होगा और वहां का वाटर सिस्टम, वाटर मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम और स्ट्रांग होगा. Next is a state news. Recently, Chhattisgarh approved country's third largest tiger reserve. तो छत्तीसगढ़ ने देश के सबसे तीसरे बड़े टाइगर रिजर्व को मंजूरी दे दी है. अगर मैं बात करूं 2024 तक तो इंडिया में टोटल 55 टाइगर रिजर्व हैं एज ऑफ मार्च 2024. ठीक है. There were total 3,682 wild tigers in it, which is almost 75% population of the worldwide tiger population. So recently, Chhattisgarh has approved a new tiger reserve, which is the third largest in India. The Guru Ghasidas Tamor Pingla Tiger Reserve combine an existing national park with a wildlife sanctuary, and this new tiger reserve cover 2829 square kilometer across 4th northern district of state and in Chhattisgarh's 4th tiger reserve. Clear? Next is recently Odisha launched India's first rice ATM. So first, what is rice ATM? What is the meaning of rice ATM? Rice ATM is a machine basically that dispense rice to eligible ration card holders under public distribution system. So through PDS system, it basically dispense rice for those person who are eligible on the base of ration card. So Odisha has launched India's first 24/7 grain dispenser machine called the Annapurti Grain ATM. What is the name of this rice ATM? The name is Annapurti Grain ATM. Clear? This machine aimed to improve the public distributing system for ration holders. It was officially launched by Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra and is located as a warehouse in Manchester, which developed in collaboration with the World Food Program. So this rice ATM, which is known as Annapurti Grain ATM, is launched by Odisha government. It is basically officially launched by Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Minister Krishna Chandra Patra with the help of World Food Program. Clear? Okay. Next is banking news. Recently, RBI announced continue clearing of check under CTS. What is CTS? CTS is check truncation system. So the Reserve Bank of India has updated the check truncation system to allow continue clearance of check. तो रिजर्व बैंक ने चेक के निरंतर समाशोषण की अनुमति देने के लिए check truncation system को अपडेट किया है. This change aimed to improve the efficiency of check clearing. It reduced settlement risk and enhance the customer experience as well as. Next is scheme and committee news. Recently, Center formed committee to monitor Bangladesh border situation. As we all know, बांग्लादेश में बहुत ज्यादा इशू हो रहे हैं, रिजर्वेशन को लेकर इशू हो रहे हैं, जहां पर वहां की आर्मी ने कंट्रोल कर लिया है. तो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने एक कमेटी स्टैब्लिश की है. द कमेटी established for the purpose of to monitor Bangladesh border situation. In response to unstable situation in Bangladesh, the Indian government has set up a committee to monitor the Indo-Bangladesh border. So to monitor the Indo-Bangladesh border, the Indian government basically set up a committee. The committee will ensure the safety of Indian nationals and minorities communities in Bangladesh. It also maintain communication with Bangladesh authorities and oversee security measure at the border. Clear? Next is sports news. Srijesh Bhaker to co-flag bearer for India's Paris Olympic 2024 close ceremony. Basically, the hockey goal picker PR Srijesh and pistol shooter Manu Bhaker will be the co-flag bearer for India at the close ceremony of the Paris 2024 Olympic Game. हम सबको पता है, as we all know that कि इस बार के ओलंपिक पेरिस में कंडक्ट किए गए थे। अभी पेरिस ओलंपिक खत्म होने वाले हैं, जिसमें क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी में फ्लैग बेरर होंगे श्रीजेश एंड मनु भाकर। Okay, how many medals did India won in Paris Olympics? So India won 6 medals, out of which 1 is silver medal and 5 is bronze medal. So 1 or 5 total, 6 medal. So you have to remember the name of the personality who won which basically medal or in which field. So first, Manu Bhaker won bronze medal in shooting under women 10-meter air pistol. Again, Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh won bronze medal in shooting in mixed team 10-meter air pistol. Swapanil Kusale won bronze medal in shooting basically. Next is Indian men hockey team won bronze medal. Neeraj Chopra won bronze medal in silver medal in men's javelin throw, and Aman Sherawat won bronze medal in wrestling under men's freestyle 57 kg. So India won 6 medal, out of 1 silver medal which is won by Neeraj Chopra who belongs to the athletes or javelin throw, and 5 medal are bronze medal. Clear? So flag bearer in close ceremony Srijesh and Bhaker. Next is important day, World Steel Pen Day 2024. So the world will celebrate the first ever World Steel Pen Day on August 11, 2024. So विश्व का पहला स्टील पेन दिवस 11 अगस्त 2024 को सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा. This day recognize the cultural and importance of the steel pen, which is a unique musical instrument from Trinidad and Tobago. तो टोबैगो ट्रिनाद में बेसिकली एक संगीत वाद्य यंत्र होता है, तो इसको बढ़ावा देने के लिए आपसे क्या सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा? स्टील पान डे. The United Nations endorsement of this day highlight the steel pan role in music, cultural diversity and sustainable development as well as. Next is World Lion Day. So on every year on 10th of August, we do celebrate World Lion Day. As we approach the 2024 edition, the need to protect lion is more urgent than ever. As we all know that this is that distinct basically species जो आगे चल के विलुप्त होने के खतरे पे है, तो लायंस और टाइगर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करना बेसिकली आज के समय में बहुत जरूरी है. Lion, known scientifically as Panthera leo, are symbol of strength and courage, and also play a crucial role in maintaining ecological balance, because as we all know there is a cycle in ecology. This day also emphasizes the importance of conserving these magnificent creativity as well as. Clear? So World Lion Day 2024. Next is Obituary Days. Former Vice Chairman of UGC H. Devraj died at the age of 71. So the academic community is mourning the loss of H. Devraj, who is former Vice Chairman of University Grant Commission, who passed away at the age of 71. His death marked the end of a remarkable career that significantly impacted India's highest education system. Clear? So these are the important news we have discussed. Now let's quick revise the session what we have discussed in this session. First, we have discussed the national news, which is Indian Coast Service Accountant Service celebrated Foundation Day. यहाँ से हमें 3 पॉइंट्स याद रखने. The theme is विकसित भारत. Basically, and It is celebrated in New Delhi, and the chief guest was TV Somanathan, who is Finance Secretary. Next is government approved 8 new railway line project worth 24,657 crore. What is the estimate budget for these 8 new railway line project is 24,657 crore. Next is Bill Gates Foundation to set up FSTP at Sarovaram, basically in Kerala, Kachigoda. The fecal sludge treatment plantation basically was set up, and through this the sanitation will better and water hygiene in the area. Chhattisgarh approved country's third largest tiger, which is around 2829 square kilometer. Next is Odisha launched India's first rice ATM, which is known as Anupurti Grain ATM, which serve 24 into 7 grain basically, or it dispense 24 into 7 grain with the help of World Food Program. Next is RBI announced continuous clearance of check under CTS. Center formed committee to monitor Bangladesh border situation as there is an unstable situation in Bangladesh. Srijesh and Bhaskar took off flag bearer for India at Paris Olympic 2024 closing ceremony, and India won 6th medal in this Paris Olympic, 1 silver and 5 bronze medal. World Steel Pan Day 2024 celebrated first time in the world. World Lion Day on 10th of August we do celebrate World Lion Day. Last is former vice chairman of UGC H. Devraj died at the age of 71. So these are the important 10th August news which we have discussed. Now I hope you understand this session. Thank you.